How to look great on Zoom, the fastest way. That's what we'll be talking about today, folks. This is a Zoom webinar tip here for you. Really cool stuff. If you're new to the channel, I normally make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog about that. And if you're interested in starting your own outrageously profitable business without wasting time and money on fake gurus, check out the top link in the video description below. Looks a little bit like that. Also, I have a playlist of about 31 cash apps that you can do in 31 days, or you can do them all in one day. All kind of really cool apps there. Check those out if you want to as well. And subscribe to the channel if you wish to do so. Hit the notification bell. Please do like this video if you like it. And let's get right into this. Okay, so this is Zoom on my iPad, and we're gonna go to settings right down there. And then we're gonna go right to where it says meetings. And then we're going to scroll down, and where you see touch up my appearance, which is right there. And there we are. We're going to have this little slider on the bottom here where you can do the filter, if you will, and you can check out my face. I'm getting glowier or shinier or whatever you want to call it, dancing around. And that's it. That's a really quick tip to make yourself look better on Zoom. There's also this reaction skin tone. I haven't even tried it. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what it does. Actually, I have no idea. But that's it then. Really cool. All right, cool. So like I said, that's just a really quick video today. Please do subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button if you like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That is all for today, and I will talk to you soon.